Thank you, Kati Santa. Open mo na. What is that? What is that? Wow! Show mo! Wow! You like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Meron siya hot, mommy.
Okay, thank you very much.
Merry Christmas!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Yan, ingat, ingat, ingat. Ay, natulala ang isa. Yan, bilis. Bilis. Wala tayo sa luneta. Dali, 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 dali. Opo! Dali. Isang bata, isang upuan, dali. Dali, sit down. Sit down na kuya, sit down. Oh, dito ka, walang bayan yan. Okay. Wala pang out. Sample pa lang yan, ha? Sample pa lang, okay? Trial pa lang yan, tayo lahat.
Pakita mo yung flower po. How many flower? Smile. Look, lakad na doon. Tigran na siya na happy birthday. Grandma. Sabi mo na, dali. Dali na.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow!
Give mo na, flowers.
Wow!
Mm.
Is this mine? Yes.
Ito.
Wow! What is that? Wow!
Yay!
And this is for you from Addison and Ashing.
Ito from Addison and Ashing.
This
This three grandma, tatlo yan grandma, from Tita Shai.
ay, from Tita siya.
Ito, kay Mami.
Mami!
Yay!
Ang ganda! Ganda naman
ito from
ito.
Tita Shai, itong tatlo. Iyan siya amin man yan, dalawa. Yay! Smile ka na, ano yan, ate? Kiss na kay grandma, kiss na dali.
Hawakan mo to.
Kiss na kay grandma. Wala si Addison. Pigdala kasi ni Tito Iman. Oh, yay!
How make a flower, Mommy?
Ano da? Yay! Sing na ate. Pakita mo ate flower.
Give naman ni Mama la.
Give na kay grandma.
Grandma.
Yay!
Happy
Picture.
Mama la.
Kiss na ate.
Ayaw
Kiss
Mama la.
grandma.
Pangulo.
Kiss kay grandma.
Meron
Salamat!
Yay!
O, sa iyo man dahil.
Meron pa mala. Yay! Marami pa yan. Yay! Go!
Bakit marami pa?
Siyempre! Give me my money. Give me my money. Daddy, give me my money. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Looks like we have to fix the bathroom sink. How do we do that?
I guess I have to go to the
Hide na, hide na. Hide na, Addison. Hide na. Gaano ka dyan, Addison? Ano ginagawa mo, Addison? Patingin niya. Gaano ka?
ML.
Ay, naku, Addison na. Nagmo-mobile legend ka na, ha? Ay, solid. Yan. Tingnan ko nga. Sino yan, Addison? Addison, sino yan? Sipon. May sipon. Si Addison. Ito siya. Kunin mo nga to, bibi na to, tita siya. Ma-sleeper na naman daw siya. Oh, masyang ka man. Oh, dali, shoot. Shoot na. Masang ka man? Hindi na. Hindi na. Dito lang. Alis na yan. Dito lang yan. Alis na. Diyan lang yan. Hindi. Hindi na yan suot. Ba't ka man masuot? Masaan ka man? Dito lang yan. Alis na yan.
Halagang bahagi ng kanilang kultura at pamumuhay. Ang unang kaya ay isang sayaw na isinayaw ng mga kababaihan sa kanilang komunidad. At ito ay bahagi ng mga ritual o pagdiriwang tulad ng kasal at iba pang mahalagang okasyon. Sa salitang tauso, ang una ay nangangahulugang pagkilos o galaw.
Addison. Ate, tell mo kay tita sa dali. Louder your voice.
Once upon a time, there was a little baby named Addison. He messed up the room. The basket goes upside down. And now it is a good mud. And now clean it up. And now the baby is naughty. And now he got at it. And now Mommy get mad. Instead of not the baby Addison.
Not the baby.
Yes.
You need to clean up the mess. Ate, you need to clean up.
I can read it.
Where is Daddy? He told Daddy a story. Once upon a time, again.
Once upon a time, there's a one-up baby.
No, it's about Daddy. It's about Daddy. Where is Daddy?
Time, there's Daddy.
There's a superhero, Daddy.
Up the bridge.
Yeah.
And